Coupon code is in the description and comments below. Planning to start a WordPress website but feeling overwhelmed by hosting options? You've discovered the perfect solution because we have an exclusive Bluehost coupon code that will save you significantly on one of the most trusted WordPress hosting providers in the world. Bluehost has been officially recommended by WordPress.org since 2005, powering over 2 million websites globally. This special offer makes premium WordPress hosting incredibly affordable. With this exclusive discount, you get professional hosting features at beginner-friendly prices. Bluehost is specifically optimized for WordPress, making setup incredibly simple. When you sign up, WordPress is automatically installed and configured, so your site is ready to use immediately. No technical knowledge required. The user-friendly control panel guides you through every step, from choosing themes to installing plugins. What makes Bluehost valuable is their comprehensive package. You get a free domain name for the first year, saving you the separate registration cost. A free SSL certificate is included, encrypting your site and boosting your SEO rankings since Google favors secure sites. The drag-and-drop website builder lets you create professional pages without touching code. Bluehost's servers are optimized for WordPress performance. Your site loads quickly, which is crucial for keeping visitors engaged and improving search engine rankings. They guarantee 99.9% uptime, ensuring your website stays accessible to visitors around the clock. Automatic WordPress updates keep your site secure and running the latest version. Security is taken seriously with built-in protection against malware and hackers. The CodeGuard basic backup service automatically backs up your website daily so you can restore it if anything goes wrong. Spam protection keeps your comments clean, and the SiteLock security features actively monitor and protect your site from threats. Email hosting is included, so you can create professional email addresses using your domain name. This adds credibility to your online presence. You get access to marketing tools, including advertising credits and SEO tools to help your website get found online. Scalability is built in. Start with basic shared hosting and easily upgrade to VPS or dedicated hosting as your website grows. Bluehost grows with your needs. The resource protection ensures your site remains stable even during traffic spikes. Customer support is exceptional with 24/7 assistance available via phone, live chat, or email. Their knowledgeable team can help with everything from basic setup questions to advanced technical issues. The extensive knowledge base includes tutorials, guides, and videos for self-service help. Bluehost integrates seamlessly with WooCommerce if you want to add e-commerce functionality to your WordPress site. Start selling products online with just a few clicks. The platform also supports multiple websites on higher-tier plans, making it economical if you manage several sites. To grab this exclusive deal, click the link in the description, select your hosting plan, and the coupon code will be automatically applied at checkout. You'll see your savings immediately. With Bluehost's 30-day money-back guarantee, you can try their service risk-free. If you're ready to launch your WordPress website with reliable, fast, beginner-friendly hosting, check out the link in the description. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tips and web hosting deals.